Hi, pet lovers. Welcome to Dr. Dragos's Valley Fever product reveal. Today's cough-relieving product is a formula that was developed in the Qing Dynasty over 100 years ago. It's still made today. It's inexpensive, over-the-counter, and easy to obtain. It can be found at your local Asian grocery store or on Amazon and many other websites online. Today's product is Ninjam Peipa Co. Ninjam Peipa Co. nourishes the lungs, breaks up phlegm, relieves coughing, and soothes a sore throat. It can easily be used for dogs with valley fever. This formula contains fritillaria and pinellia, licorice and apricot seed, just like the last cough reliever I revealed. Loquat leaf, platycodone root, and schizandra fruit are a few of the additional medicinal herbs contained in this complex formula. Loquat leaf is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving, to name just a few of its medicinal qualities. Platycodone root has topical pain-relieving activity for the throat. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, reduces coughing spasms, and helps expel mucus. This is another great herb for phlegmy lung infections like valley fever. Schizandra fruit inhibits inflammation in the lungs, is calming and nourishing. It improves immune function, focus and concentration, relieves anxiety and depression, protects the liver, and has been traditionally used to treat diarrhea. Ninjam Peipa Co. is an herbal elixir, a product made by steeping medicinal herbs in honey. The honey not only makes it pleasant tasting, it also soothes the throat, is antimicrobial, and antioxidant. If you'd like to know the dose for your dog, type dose in the comments or DM me. For more help with your dog that's suffering with valley fever, check out my free training at www.caninevalleyfeverrelief.com. The letter K, the number 9, valleyfeverrelief.com.